Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here with Passport to Wall Street, and today we're talking about the summertime slowdown. Stocks just tend to really slow down. We've mentioned this in a few of our other articles and videos, but we want to kind of give you some ideas of where to go, what to do, how to sort of make the most out of the summer if you're not on vacation and you're sitting around trading like a lot of others. Now here's what happens. Stocks tend to slow down. Normally if you look at a chart, you'd see stocks moving in a range like this throughout the day. And what happens is when we get into the summertime, people go on vacation, and so you see more of a range like this. Day by day, whether it's minute by minute or whatever, you see less movement, there's less volatility, which means there's less opportunity for you to catch these price movements, and we need to be aware of that. So one thing you might notice if you're looking at volume on a chart, you'll notice that early in the morning, volume is rather high, and then all of a sudden it drops off little by little by little, and then spikes right there at the end of the day, or as the day by day moves into summer. If this represents each single day, then of course you'll notice that the summertime volume is pretty light. So we want to address this, and here's what you want to look for. Look for stocks that you can trade, whether you're day trading or swing trading. Look for stocks that you can trade that have earnings, right? And that's really popular right now. I spelled it wrong, didn't I? Look for stocks that have earnings going on. So we'll just go like this. Earnings right now is getting started. The earnings season is in the thick of it, right? So day by day, more and more companies are going to report earnings. And what happens is you've got a stock that's just trading along day by day. This is all, doing whatever it's doing. And then earnings come out and the stock opens down here. What do you think happens when each day you check in on your stock and everything is good, it's moving in a nice trend, then you wake up one day, the stock reports earnings, all of a sudden you've got a big loss. What do you think happens to the number of trades here? What do people do? Well, all the buyers, all the sellers start making decisions. And so when a stock has this big of a move in one day, when we normally refer to that as a gapping move, where it gaps down, all of these people in here take drastic action on their trades. And what generally happens is everybody that was already long, they owned somewhere in one of these days here, let's say they bought over the last 3 weeks or something, if now the price is down here, all of these people we know have a loss. And so that creates a lot of volume. These people may be sellers. Also what happens is people have been watching for a good opportunity to buy. And now that the stock has fallen so far, you're going to have a decent amount of people that think this is a great time to buy. And so between that, all the panic sellers and the discount buyers, all of a sudden this stock, whatever it happens to be, has more volume. And so if you're a day trader or a short-term trader, there's your volatility. You're going to be able to be a part of that. And so we say about this time over the summertime, it is probably best to day trade stocks that have earnings coming around them, or stocks that just recently reported earnings where there's still a little volatility left. So just be aware the summertime slowdown can be a little bit boring for some, we understand. But if you participate in the right space at the right time, you'll find that volatility you're looking for. I hope you enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon.